into this Monica from Friends look. As much as I love nostalgia, I cannot believe I have not done any Friends inspired makeup looks on this channel, like especially Jennifer Aniston. What is wrong with me? Like, you know, it's just because I get so obsessed with finding the right props for the looks and everything. But no fears, because Kalyss, which is the brand that this wig is from, helped me, because this look would not be complete without them. I love this wig right here. It's perfect for Monica. I had to style it a little bit, you know, just to get her vibe going, you know. That's such a 90s look. I love this look. A lot of my family members were like, how could you not do Monica from Friends yet, you know? So this one is for my sister because she wanted me to do this look so bad. I love it because it's retro and perfect, because it's fun, it's fresh, it's very 90s. I pinned it up a little bit here on the side, gave it some fluff to have that really cute, like late 90s, early 90s type of look. I love the layering of it. I just felt like it was perfect for a Monica look and other looks for sure. Kalyss is a very affordable brand on Amazon, and this wig right now is only listed for $18, so that's great. It's very good quality. The synthetic shine is very minimum. It's not cheesy looking. I really love it. Like, before styling it, it's very bang heavy. You just have to mess around and see what type of magic you can create with these wigs and these looks. Like, it has an adjustable strap at the bottom too, so it's nice and secure, and a couple of clips on the inside. I love it because it's cute and it's a medium length wig, and I felt like it was perfect for my Monica look, so I was so excited to bring this to you. So thank you to Kalyss for that. All the info will be left down in the description box. But let's get into this Monica look.
So we're just going to skip the face for this because it's not really important. I have a lot of foundation routines on my channel, so you can go ahead and check that out. But I am going to be using the Lorac Pro palette, and with what little beige eyeshadow I have left and a little bit of white, I'm going to mix that together to have my base color here. I have naturally really dark lids, so I need to do this in order for this to work. So I'm going to be doing this on both eyes. So once you are done adding the whitewash color on there, you are going to move on to the next shadow, and I'm taking a dark brown shade, and it may look really dark when you first apply it, but trust me, once you blend it out, it's all going to work out. So this color is called Espresso. Yes, I was scared when I first put it on as well, but then it just kind of works eventually. So what you want to do is just create this really weird shape. So you want to kind of like line your upper lash line and just connect the two above, so kind of creating like almost like a cut crease, but it's not really a cut crease, and it looks terrible right now, but once you blend everything out, trust me, it's going to look just like hers in a few of her promo shots. So you just want to continue to, you also, well, I mean, you're going to want to blend, but if you don't know how to do a precise like line, you can always use something to put your eyeshadow up against, like this. I'm just using like this thing that you put your earrings in, or just, it was just a part of something I just grabbed for it, and this will help line up my eyeshadow to look the way I want it to. And then you're just going to keep blending. This look is all about blending, and if you blend it right, then you'll get a nice color. So I'm going to show you what I did on the other eye so you guys can see kind of what I am doing. It's pretty simple. At first I was really nervous because I thought the shadow came out too dark, but at the picture I'm looking at, her eyeshadow is very dark, so that is why I am going for this. But trust me, once you blend it out, it will be fine, so do not worry. So like I said, I'm just repeating the same steps on the other eye. This is very easy to do, trust me. So once you're done blending, all you're going to do now is take a black eyeshadow, and this is going to be kind of like your eyeliner. So you're kind of creating a wing at the end too, to kind of mesh into that darker brown eyeshadow. And this is going to create like that natural like liner type of look. So you're going to want to do that, and then connect it to the darker eyeshadow in the outer corners and just blend out. So now that the eyeshadow is done, you're just going to want to curl your lashes and apply a little bit of mascara. Obviously, they didn't wear falsies like that. Their makeup was very wearable for women in their mid-20s or early 20s. And also, once you are done, we are moving on to cheeks. I'm just sculpting out my cheeks a little bit with a little bit of Tea Rose by Milani. She didn't really wear too much blush. And also what I'm going to do, which is optional, is create just a little bit of faux freckles, because in a lot of her pictures, like photo shoot headshot pictures, I saw that she had like a lot of like little freckles on her face. So I just wanted to do that, you know, just kind of get the effect, but nothing too dramatic. I am going to take a blush brush and blend all of that freckles out so it's not like bam in your face, you know what I mean? Just kind of subtle, you have to look for it. Now the lips, I wanted to go for a 90s lip, so I mixed about 3 shades here. I'm using Soar to line my lips, and this is one of my favorite lip colors to achieve a nice 90s pout, so that is what I am doing here. Then to go on top, I'm taking Hue by MAC, and this is just to give you that lighter color in the inside, but I didn't really like that. I mean, it did kind of look like Monica, but not too much, so I'm just taking Anna by NARS, and this is going to top off the look. You just want to just keep digging that lipstick over it to get this nice berry color right here. So this is the end result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.
I hope you guys enjoyed this Monica inspired makeup tutorial. If you're interested in any other nostalgic characters, then just leave them down below. If you're also interested in this wig, it will be in the description box. But I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to go back in time again with you guys. Bye.